Hey everybody, it's Danielle Damianov, and I had a couple of people ask me from the last class that I did about market stats and kind of, how you can view them and share them and stuff like that. So I just wanted to do a quick little video because right now, more than ever, it is so important to show everybody what is actually going on in the market, because a lot of people have this misconception that the market is down or the market is not really good. So this video is for realtors. If you're in this group, you are a real estate agent. So I wanted to show you as a real estate agent what you should be doing on a daily or weekly basis to make sure that you're up to date with the market and what's going on. And then also want to show you how to share. Now, I sold real estate in Fort Myers. I sold real estate in Miami. My husband is a member of the Bonita Estero board, so that's what I'm going to show you everything on. That being said, matrix was the same everywhere. So depending on, even if you're in the Fort Myers board, the Bonita board, the Naples board, or the Miami board, Fort Lauderdale, I'm thinking that everybody pretty much has the same system. So you should be able to access this regardless. And if not, obviously call your board, call the person that handles MLS, and they can help you. But let me share my screen with you because this was actually pretty interesting today. So here we have the Market Watch, and this is just in the past 7 days. We have 730 new listings that came on the market, 788 sold. And here's what's so interesting. Well, a couple of things. Look at how many went pending. So we've had 738 listings go pending in the last 7 days. Only 730 new listings came on the market, and we had 788 sold. So that tells me that the market is moving. Now, the other thing that I'm also keeping my eye on is when I sold real estate, everyone that knows me knows that I made, that my business was built on expired listings. Look at how many listings expired in the past 7 days, 692. Like, that's crazy. That's a ton of expired listings. This is a market right here that you can go ahead and capitalize on. So it's not like a seller's market where in a seller's market, anything you put on the market is pretty much selling and flying off the market. 692 listings expired. So this is a huge market right now. And I think over the next couple of years, this is going to be definitely a market to capitalize on. And the other thing I wanted to show you in this quick video is you want to be able to not only explain the market stats to people, but you want to be able to share the market stats with people on social media, via email, videos like this, whatever it is that you want to do. Get the word out there that the market is still moving. Yes, we had 730 new listings came on the market, but we've also sold 788 in the past 7 days. And on top of that, we had 738 go pending. So we are seeing a lot of great activity. If you scroll down here to the external links and you click on market stats. Okay, so this is what's really cool. So this, you can play around with this however you want to do it. Number one, if you're going on a listing appointment, I would suggest zoning in and narrowing down to square footage, price range, things like that. Obviously if it's a previously owned home, maybe you're taking out the new construction when you're showing the stats. But this is something, so this is something you can do here. You can print and you can share it, and you can do it in a line graph like that or in a bar graph. But the other thing I really liked is you could click on here and you can go by city or by area, and zone into an area. Now, for me personally, I don't like seeing graphs like this just because, number one, I'm not an analytical person. Number two, I don't really, it's kind of confusing. Some people might love it. What I would prefer to do is go up here to the fast stats and see actual numbers. So the cool thing here, and like I said, take your time, play around with it, figure out what it is you want to show people. But let's just say we click on Lee County, right? So we click on Lee County and we're going to look at, I was hoping that April was here because I'm really interested to see April's numbers. Mainly because if you think about it, people that bought in March are people that were under contract in January and February. People that bought in April are probably, you know, people that went under contract February, March in the midst of the coronavirus. So with that being said, you know, April's going to be a very telltale sign as to what's kind of going on in the market. But if we click on March 2020 and click on view report, oh, I got to select an area. So let's just go to Lee County, the whole county. It's broken down for you in single family and condos. And so we can see what happened in 2019 and what happened in 2020. This is huge because one of the things that in March of 2020, as opposed to March of 2019, our closed sales are up 13.9%. So a lot of people have this misconception that, you know, maybe the market was better last year, but if you look at this, our closed sales were up by 13.9%. Our average sales price is up by 10%, which is awesome. And our inventory is down by 27%. We went from a 6.6 month supply in 2019 to a 4.3 in March of 2020. So this is comparing March 2019 to March 2020, both on single family and on condos. So this is a really great thing that you can do. Now, if you have a snipping tool, you can click here on snipping tool and create a PDF. So if you go like this, it will save it just like that. And then you can create a PDF or whatever it is to share on your social media. So anyways, I just wanted to do a quick video on market stats. I've had some people reach out to me asking me about market stats. So there you go. Here's a great way to kind of, number one, know what's going on in the market. Number two, making yourself be, you know, acting as if you are the expert, and letting them know what's going on, and then really showing the difference between 2019 and 2020. So keep your eye out for April stats. That's going to be very important. We are still lending. I'm with Guaranteed Rate. If you need any mortgages or any mortgage help, I would love to help you and your clients. And that's pretty much it. I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.